course.
You know, at what point do you get to where you say to yourself, you know what? This was a good idea. This person that I am going to do business with is sending me money for a transaction. But you know what? I am going to cheap out or be lazy and send it to them in a bag. What am I? Am I shopping for groceries? What is happening? When is this still okay? It doesn't matter what year, 2000 whatever, 19 whatever. At no point in history was it okay to send anything in a bag. But you know what? I digress. Let's get to this unboxing. I don't even know what it is, honestly. It just was on my doorstep and I said, you know what? I guess we got an unboxing today. Great. Wonderful. A bag. Well, I guess the good news is that you really don't have to go around the seam of the box and look for the tape. You could just do one of these. One v1's on the way. Didn't do this. I almost said to myself, you know what? I don't even want to do YouTube. I don't. It became so watered down, like a cliche, irrelevant to the culture, that just people were just doing it just to do it, buying things just to buy them, just to say you have money, or just to say you have whatever it is that you buy, or whatever you indulge in, whatever you like, whatever's hyped, whatever's the new thing. Very few of us out here or on here are in it for the right reasons. Yeah, you can say about the culture, but why are you doing this? What are you doing this for? Is it because you truly love sneakers, fashion, streetwear, the lifestyle? I was born in 85. I'm 80s and 90s, baby. My era was the 90s, when sneakers mattered. They don't matter anymore. For the most part, they don't. Who do they matter to? Because then you're going to have that argument of old head, new head, sneakerhead, hype beast. There has to be a classification now. There has to be a category for what you love and who you are. There has to be a name on it. What's the point? I don't know. Maybe I'm just talking. Half of you probably are on to the next video by now because you don't want to hear it. Oh, here's just another guy talking about what it is to be a sneakerhead or somebody that truly loves the game. I'll tell you what, there's a select few out there that are truly doing it because they love to do it. Collect, be a connoisseur, whatever. But a lot of people are doing it just for the hype, just because it's paying the bills, something to do, bored. If you're in this for the wrong reasons, get out now. Don't broadcast that to the world. It's becoming a toxic environment. The times are changing, but why? For what? The game is forever evolving into nothing. Just another video. The next release. The next hyped piece of clothing. Here today, gone tomorrow. Catch a release on Saturday. By the afternoon, that sneaker's old. Throw it up on eBay, StockX, GOAT, wherever, and say, okay, on to the next one. You don't take time to appreciate the sneakers anymore. You don't take time to appreciate the art that it is, and it's sad. And what do you do about that? You just roll with the times? You just go along with it? Or do you do something to actually change it? Do you do something about it? Sure, you're not going to please everybody. Half the people on the internet are mad anyway about nothing. Keyboard warriors always have something to say. Nothing productive, nothing positive. It's always something negative. Not all the time. 75% of the time, it's negative. Especially in the sneaker culture, the sneaker world, the realm that we indulge ourselves in. I don't want to go on a rant. What's good, what's bad, the pros, the cons. There's going to be that in everything in life. But there was a time when sneakers meant something. And it's slowly evolving into this place, this void of nothing. It's just an idea now. Like I said, it's the next best thing. What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? Take time to appreciate what's already here. There's no rush. The sneakers will be there. The clothes will be there. The industry will be there. The game will always be there. But it's up to you to appreciate it. Yeah, I can sit here and I can boast about what I have. You could talk about what you have. But how does it make you feel at the end of the day? Something outside of your immediate family, your friends, your job, your bills. Next to my art and my poetry, it's the one thing that makes me happy. Truly happy. Sneakers. I can walk into this room. Whatever's going on outside of this door is whatever. But when I come in here, there is a sense of relief. And not everybody's going to feel like that. I'm probably speaking to the older heads on this one. A lot of the new heads won't understand that. You probably might not feel that way. And some of you might. But if you don't feel a sense of relief or a sense of freedom when it comes to anything, it doesn't have to be sneakers. But if you are here, you're most likely here because of the sneakers. So let's pick sneakers. If it doesn't make you feel something outside of whatever you have going on outside of your life, if you don't have something to come back to and bring you back to a better place at the end of the day, what's the point? If you're just putting on a mask. No pun intended. But that's it. Today I did my first unboxing. The first of many. Wasn't anything special. I kept it simple. But I'll tell you one thing. Not because it was in the beginning stages of my channel and it's a milestone of mine, but the sneaker makes me feel something that I've never felt before. And it's been that way since the mid-90s. 1995 to be exact, when the Concords dropped. Was the first time I fell in love. Now, I was a fan of Jordan before that, the early 90s. But I was young. I didn't really veer off to the shoe game until it got to that point in my life. I was 10 years old. And I remember exactly where I was standing, the time of day, the year, the month, everything about that day when I first saw those Concords. And that is my grail. But ever since that day, that feeling has never left. It has just progressively just gotten stronger and stronger. If it doesn't make you feel that way, what's the point? Feet first.